So my role in the company is as CTO, and the company I work for is called Kjell Company. It is a retail chain with e-commerce in Sweden and Norway. We have 120 stores, and we sell consumer electronic accessories. So we don't sell the actual big product like the TV, we sell the accessories to what you need. Also a lot now with the smart home equipment, networking as in mesh Wi-Fi networks, and also mobile accessories. Very small locations, very efficient in space, but we fill them to the brim with products, and we have around 9,000 SKUs in every store. So it's a very complex setup. It's tailored to the consumer, but the consumer who on one side is very interested in technology and want to discuss this with our sales staff. Every customer meets a highly skilled, highly trained sales representative, and they can speak about their problems, what they want to connect together, and we will find you the solution. So there's both those who are already very interested in technology and want to speak to a friend, so to speak, and also the person who wants to have the benefits of the technology but doesn't want to know how it works, which is the main part of the customer base. It's very important. Myself, I worked at the company for 20 years now, and we invested when we were relatively small, a few stores, we were only 10 stores. We invested in Microsoft Navision that time and LS Retail in 2003. And it's been a very successful journey where we have been able to adapt and build and customize a lot of business processes along the way that make us where we are today. How can we get a seamless, smooth experience for the customer in all the channels? We are expected from the customer to know the customer because we have all their data. We have a very successful customer loyalty program with almost 1.9 million people registered in Sweden. That's a country of 10 million, so that's a very good number. And around 65 to 70% of all our sales in the stores and on the e-commerce are registered sales to a member, a customer. So what we're trying to do is connect the system so you get the same experience no matter if you shop online, you read the email we sent out, or you look at other channels or visit the store. So trying to connect those in a unified way, that is our biggest challenge. I think they play a big part in this. There are other systems that also help out, but since we have a very personalized way of selling that you as a customer always meet the sales representative, it's a meeting and you have a discussion. So what we want is to give our sales staff the best tools to help the customer, and there we see a lot of potential in developing a lot more support systems and things that you have in LS, so we can be even more professional, even more smart and accurate with what we recommend the customer, what we show the customer, so that it's relevant. We don't want the customer to feel like they have to prepare anything or remember anything. They should come to us and just be calm, collected, and just say what you have for what problem you have and or what you want to figure out, and we'll help you because you are a known customer. We should know all about your previous interactions with us. Well, I think it's very inspiring. It is also a validation that we're on the right track, and I think a lot of the topics that's been here align very well with what we're already thinking a lot about or been working on. It gives a lot of new insights, new perspective. I really find the keynote speakers from yesterday on the third, and now on the fourth there was Mike Ehrenberg from Microsoft. It was really, really interesting.